What is up, bass fishing freaks? Luke Racer here from Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors. Got the O-Show with me. He's been itching to get out and do a little fishing. He's on Christmas break. And yesterday we made it out on the ice. I don't know if you guys have watched that video yet or not. I don't know which one I'm going to post first, but anyways, it was like 27 degrees and we had awesome ice. It was like 6 inches. And then it started warming up and it got into the 40s by mid-afternoon. And then it rained all night and it rained all day today. And it's like 45, 47 degrees right now. And there's a lot of water sitting on top of the ice and I just don't trust it. So we're going to come out here to the spillway and try to catch a few donkeys. So the walleye should be hitting. I heard there's some crappies hitting in here. So we're going to give her a shot. There's quite a few people down here, which tells me that either a lot of people are just on vacation or fish are biting. So we got like 10 minnows, so we're going to try to make it happen here in a short period of time. So stay tuned, folks. Launch hunting starts right now. We'll try here for a little bit, and if we don't catch nothing, we'll go down.
Yeah. You better use a bob.
Most of the fish are right here, though.
But walleye.
It might go down a little bit because it's shallow.
Yeah.
But if it goes all the way down, that's when you know a fish got it.
Yeah.
You can reel in your slack a little bit. Oh, just to where it starts pulling your bobber.
That one?
Yep.
Can I reel him in?
It's a nice one.
Come on. You're on the
Walleye.
I need to get one.
See you later, buddy. Crappies like to stay close to the wall,
Yeah.
so you're in a good spot. What? Where's your bobber? Oh, I missed one. That was a good bite. There you go, Owen. Hold on, now you're making a mess. This little walleye. Let's come over here. Come over here. You can creep it in slow, bud. Like, pull it up like this. Go down, reel your slack up. If you think you can cast it on your own, reel it in and cast it. So while we were fishing down there at below the Spillway, we ran into another YouTube clan. And we introduced ourselves, told them to go check us out, and they said they have a YouTube channel too called Shoot 'em Down Outdoors. And they're a bunch of cool guys. And talked to them a little bit. Really nice guys, pretty cool. So when I get home, I'm going to check them out. You guys should do the same thing. Go check them out, Shoot 'em Down Outdoors. Tell them Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors sent you. Take a look at these guys. Shoot 'em Down Outdoors. Getting some footage. They said it's like 2.5 to 3 inches of ice out there. Not me, boys. Owen, stop breathing. We're fogging up. Well, that's a wrap, folks. Owen and I came out to the Spillway and threw some lines for a little bit. We ran out of minnows, so I said we'll call it a day now. I mean, it's better than I've been doing out here. We weren't out here very long, and we caught 2 walleye. Another guy caught a couple walleye and a ton of suckers. I don't know what he was throwing, some corn or some shit. But not a bad little afternoon, something to do. The rain stopped for a little bit and let us get out and do some fishing. So now I caught 2 dinks. Anyways, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that now. Hit the bell so you get notified every time I put out a new video. Luke Reeser signing off. Always remember, you're never too fat to fish.